glove box doesn't open, according to the customer, you have to remove the side panels and you have to use a long hook to release that cable where the button is. So we're going to take the side panel out to do this. There is a white plastic piece. Front side of it, there's a release cable. I'm going to use a rod to hook that cable to release the glove box, which doesn't open. What you're going to do is you're going to unlock it from here to counterclockwise. You're going to pull the lever, pull. Just pull. It's not pulling. Sure. Yes. That's it. So once you pull that rod, it releases and you're just going to have to give a little push and it comes down.